In this video, I'm going to show you how I use profitable video campaigns in Google Ads, or what many people would call YouTube campaigns. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people will say that they don't see success with Google Ads video campaigns. And the reason for that comes down to two core reasons. And the first one is that they're using poor video quality ads. Now, a harsh reality of video campaign ads is that it does take some extra work and generally some financial investment to have some ads which are going to meet the minimum benchmark of quality. Because one of the core differences between your video campaigns and, say, for example, your search campaigns is that you, the Google Ads manager or the business, have to provide your own ads. Whereas in a search campaign, it's all text-based ads where Google decides the fonts and the colors and the sizes. So your ads look exactly like your competitors' ads. So if you're going up against a large multinational company, you're not disadvantaged by the quality and the look and feel of your text ads because they're all the same. Whereas in a YouTube campaign or a video campaign, your ads could be going up against a large multinational company who have poured hundreds of thousands of dollars into just the creation of their video ads. So you do need to make sure at a base level, if you are going to be using video campaign ads, that you do have high quality ads. Now, they don't need to be over the top expensive, but the video and audio levels need to be enough that you're not going to be blown out of the water by your competitors. Now, it does come down to, depending on what individual business niche that you are advertising your products or services in, that would also dictate the level of quality that you need. Remembering that your quality of the ad, it's going to be good enough for someone to be able to engage in your video content so that they stay around long enough to actually complete the action that you're wanting them to complete. Whether that would be to go to your website to complete a sale or to register for an upcoming event. And the second reason for why I hear a lot of people complain about Google's video campaigns, because they're using video campaigns to promote their own YouTube channel. And this is something that personally I do not do. Now, the strategy here, and you'll see a lot of people post videos on YouTube about this, is that they'll say that if you want to, grow your YouTube channel, that you just create an ad and you just push people across to your YouTube channel. I'm really against this strategy. And the reason for that is because for success with your YouTube channel, that is going to come by you creating highly engaging videos, not just by setting up ads. I'm not saying I am against video campaigns. I just don't see the merit in using video campaigns to promote your YouTube channel. Now, I don't want to get sidetracked by this. So what I will do is that if you stick around to the end of this video, I will post a link where you can actually see where I break this down in further detail. Because right now, I want to take you through the two profitable ways that I use Google Ads video campaigns for my own business and my clients' businesses. And the first way that I use video campaigns is to promote an individual sale or a product launch. So for example, if you're an e-commerce brand and you're coming up to, say, a Black Friday sale or a Father's Day or Mother's Day sale, video campaigns are a great way of increasing that exposure. Or for example, if you've just released a new service or you've released a new product range, that's also another great time that you can go through and create a video campaign to really increase the performance of that individual product launch or that individual sale. And the reason for that is because you're able to get a large volume of visibility, and you can also use the audiences that you've got from your existing search, shopping, or Performance Max campaigns, and you can add them into your YouTube campaign. So this first strategy is a campaign which is only run for about 4 to 6 weeks, and it's looking at targeting that individual product launch or that individual sale which you're running. And the second way that I use a Google Ads video campaign is more of a longer term strategy. And this is where I focus the results on to promote new email signups or app downloads. So what the strategy is here is that we're not going for the direct sale on YouTube. Instead, we're wanting to leverage off high performing email funnels or app engagements. So this would only work for businesses who have a high converting email funnel or a high converting app. And what you're doing here is you're using YouTube to get more people to come into your email funnel or to download your app so that you can complete the sales process through either of those channels. So right now, let's jump into a screen share so I can show you how this looks like. All right, so firstly, I want to show you an example of a campaign that we've used for email signups. So in this one in through here, you can actually see now we did actually end up getting some different purchases in here, but you can see with these email signups, so far throughout this year, we've been able to use this campaign to generate 11,300 new signups into this business's email list. And the way that we went through and did this is that this was a specific video which was promoting a 25% off their first order. But I just do want to quickly just go through and show you the quick structure that we had in here. So you can see in here that we did break this down into 3 different ad groups. And this is really, really important important. What we did do is we broke it into an affinity ad group. So we looked at the audiences from our search and shopping campaigns that were converting, and we added them in there. Then we also did do some targeted influencers. So what we did through here is that rather than approaching some different influencers in this space for brand endorsements, I worked with the client to get a top list of 20 influencers that they're in their space. And we specifically targeted their channels in this ad group. And then we also had some similar and remarketing lists. Now, the benefit of breaking this out into some different ad groups is that what we're able to do is that we were able to really look at our cost per conversion and our cost metrics. And since we've been running this campaign, we've actually broken it out now into different campaigns, because you can see these ad groups have been performing some different results. And if I just add the segment in here, we can see which campaigns have actually also been providing the sales, which was this affinity one. The other lists were purely in and around our email signup. So it allowed us to break out that spending a little bit further. So that was the first way that we used it in there. And the second way that we did this was we did a specific promotion video. So this one was actually for my own brand. And what we actually did in here is that we created an individual video which was for a specific product that we were selling in a specific sales period that we had. And what we did through here is that now, and with these forward submissions, that did as a backup went into a sales email flow. So we still converted a lot of these. But with this one in here, we were getting a higher level of conversions coming through. And that's why for this one, what we did with our targeting in here is that we put them all in one ad group, and we were only targeting, we did this as a bit more of a remarketing strategy, targeting people who had already been to our website, were familiar with the brand, and we're pushing out specific audiences to these users to try and get a conversion, which worked well for us. So that's two great examples of how I use video campaigns to not only promote my own business, but the business for my clients. But I will say that it goes without saying that for success with Google Ads video campaigns, you do need to make sure that you're using the correct structure and the correct setup process. And if you want to see how to correctly set up your video campaigns, all you need to do is to follow that link in the description below so that you can get my video campaign setup guide. Or if you want to see a step-by-step process and how to complete this, all you need to do is to go through and watch this video right here. Once again, thank you for joining me. My name is Aaron Young from Define Digital Academy, and I'm your 15,000 hour Google Ads Master. See you next time.